What's the meaning of conceited? Conceited. Conceited.
Conceited. Conceited. The word conceited refers to a person who has an excessively high opinion of themselves and their abilities. Such a person tends to be boastful and arrogant, believing that they are better than others. This attitude often results in the person being disliked by others who perceive them as self-centered and egotistical. Additionally, conceit can lead to a lack of empathy and understanding towards others, as the individual is too focused on their own interests and achievements. Ultimately, being conceited can hinder genuine relationships and personal growth.